Hi guys, I'm Simon Vos and I'll be renovating my Coffs Harbour home to give it that Californian vibe. Now the most important room in the house is the kitchen, but how do you make it a Cali kitchen?
I got something I gotta tell you.
So our current kitchen is not working because we are always got our back towards the entertaining space. We've got a view blocker in the house and that happens to be the butler's pantry. He's always in the way. He never lets us look outside. We can't even see outside.
You can't serve anything outside. You can't use the deck outside.
So that's going to go. So we're going to get rid of all this, all the walls coming down. It's going to be glass out all the way onto the deck.
Yep.
We're going to have a monster island bench here. We turn around to a massive bench top. All the doors can be pushed back and it's almost like a one indoor-outdoor room.
Awesome. That's really good.
Nailed it. Not yet. But... So we've got the big island bench here.
Yep.
And because we've got our neighbours right there, we probably shouldn't put a window in, so we're going to put in the two skylights.
Oh, yeah. What about the colour of the cabinets? Because I really like green.
Yeah, I like colour. Usually people go for a light grey or a white, but because we're inclined to go colour.
Palm Springs style is synonymous with a coloured front door. We wanted to bring that colour inside and match our kitchen to the front door, so we've opted for a really fun Australian green. Blue skies, palm trees, and a bit of an ocean breeze.
Welcome to our Australian take on Palm Springs.
If you want to design a show-stopping kitchen, you've got to start with your appliances first. So the triangle rule is all about the flow of your kitchen. You've got to have your cooking, your cleaning, and your fridge all at different points of the triangle to help the flow. The new Electrolux kitchen range has been designed to make the experience in the kitchen seamless and intuitive.
Take me to California. Take me.
So we all know Cali's famous for its lines. And by lines, I mean it's architectural lines. So we've gone from the butlers to the barbecue with a big bloody bench. So running the bench all the way to the outside really helps us bring the outside inside. It's pretty obvious that the bones of this house was Cali inspired. So what we've decided to do is get rid of the vault of the ceiling, get a rake ceiling up there to maximise the impact. So although a rake ceiling isn't achievable for everyone at home, this concrete bench is. It's easy and it's saved us a load of money. To make a concrete bench, all you need is your concrete, your form ply, your Rio bar, and away you go. You also need 8 good mates to help you lift this in.
A Cali kitchen is not just about how it looks, it's also about how it feels. And it feels like we can finally entertain.